from idea to a manufacturable product. Turning an advanced electronics idea into something you can actually build is where most programs stall, and that gap is exactly what Heisler is built to close. We own the whole build, design, prototype, and manufacture, so you stay on the product and the science, not the process. A full development lab, board and module assembly, die attach, fine pitch wire bond, laser micromachining, hermetic and vacuum, and in-house inspection. We take the development risk the production shops won't touch, and hand it back proven and ready to build. The path is one continuous loop. Idea, design, prototype, then iterate, the data closed loop that refines to a stable, documented process. Then manufacture a production intent build, repeatable at volume. One team from concept to a product you can ship. Go straight to prototyping, and you discover the process problems one failed build at a time: higher cost, lower yield. Co-designing the process up front closes the loop: lower cost, higher yield. We close the loop by designing the process alongside the device. Build, measure, refine, with every decision traceable. That's the bridge from R&D to manufacturable. What that delivers: fewer iterations, faster convergence, full traceability, and a program that runs capital light. We own the engineering, so you don't. The process, the measurement, and the data discipline that turn a prototype into manufacturable hardware, production-grade capability, without you owning the line. Let's close your loop. A co-design engagement, scoped to your program. Reach manufacturable hardware, capital light. Heisler Semiconductor. Process more.